friends. Okay, as promised, we're going to play some math games. And I had an idea for a game to make earlier, but then I got the stuff together and I tried it out and it just didn't work. So we're skipping that idea for now. I'll save it for another day after we fix it. Right? Sometimes we try things at school and we think it's going to work and it doesn't work, but that's just part of learning, so it's okay. So instead, we're going to travel to my table to play with some numbers. All right, so right now I have a list of numbers 0 through 10. I have one of our die from school, and if you don't have your own die at home, you could make one out of a box. You could just draw your own. And do you remember what shape this is called? It has lots of squares, but it's something you can roll. It's not flat. The name of the shape is a cube. You totally got it. So if you have a cube at home, like a box, you can make your own die. We have our number rhymes that we use at school. These are just the first few numbers. I think it's just 0 through 9, but we have some teen numbers at school. We have some pudding, I wonder why. We have some grape Kool-Aid. And we have some oatmeal. And don't worry about wasting these kind of things, because guess what? I'm going to use this oatmeal for breakfast tomorrow. It won't get wasted. So I'm going to play a game, and I'm going to roll the die. Let's see what I get. Oh, what did I get? Look at the numbers. You're going to look at the dots right on here. And some of you will be able to look at it right away, which is called subitizing, and you'll say, oh, I already know, that's 6. And other friends are still working on that, and they're going to count it with one-to-one correspondence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I got a 6. Let's find the 6. Oh, let's see. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. There it is. There's the 6. And I'm going to turn my cards to find the 6. All right, the rhyme for this one says, make a curve and then a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. We sometimes change it and we write, make a curve and make a loop. Just that quick, you've made a 6. Either one, they both rhyme. But we go, there are no tricks to make a 6. Or, just that quick, you made a 6. I did it with my finger first, but now I want my finger to do something more fun. I have a plate of grape Kool-Aid. I want to try to make a 6 on here. Let's see. It says, make a curve, then make a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. Pretty good? Let's try it again. Or I could say, just that quick, you made a 6. Oh no, I'm done. I just shake it and I erased it. Let's try it in the oatmeal. Make a curve, then make a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. Just that quick, you made a 6. So I did it in the Kool-Aid and the oatmeal. Let's roll the die again and find out what else we're gonna get. Let's try one more. I'm gonna roll it. What did I get this time? If you're gonna subitize, you're gonna look real fast and you're gonna say, I know that, that's 2. But if you need to double check, it's okay. 1, 2. Let's find the number 2. I'm looking 0 through 10. Do you see number 2? I found it right here. There's number 2. Let's find number 2 on our number rhymes. Here he is. All right, I know this one. This one is around and back on the railroad track. You made a 2, just like that. And you could also say toot, 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 like a train. Around and back on the railroad track. You made a 2. Just like that. Let's try it in the Kool-Aid. Around and back on the railroad track. You made a 2. Just like that. Let's try it in the oatmeal. Around and back on the railroad track. You made a 2. Just like that. What numbers will you be able to play with? So if you have a die at home, you could do it like this. Maybe you have a die in one of your board games. Or you can make your own die, or you can just make some number cards. Pick a number, say the rhyme, and see what you can draw yours in. We're gonna pause the video while I show you one more thing to draw in.